Hello, you're welcome to class today. This is the Igbo tutor live. I don't know where you are, but if this is your morning, I say Ụtụtụ ọma to you. That is our Igbo morning. If it's the afternoon, I say Hihi ọma. Good afternoon. If it's your evening, I say Mgbede ọma. Okay, that is good evening. If this is your night, I say Abalị ọma. Oh, that is good night. Jisike, that means well done. Keep it up. Jisike n'ọlụ. Keep it up at your work. So this is the Igbo Tutor Live. This is the time agreed when we come together to, challenge ourselves to listen to Igbo language, try to comprehend what is said, and try to replicate that by way of, translating what you hear me say in one way or the other. So this is actually a practical class. You may have been watching Igbo language videos on YouTube. You may have been learning from somebody, and this is where we come to measure our level of progress and see how much we have improved over time. So every Saturday we come here, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, to challenge ourselves to, listen to Igbo language in a normal conversation, see whether we can understand what is being said, and possibly translate that or take action based on that. That is what we do here every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you are seeing me right now and you are not able to gain access to this live class, it means you are not yet a member of the channel. You do well to click the join button beside my channel name so that you can follow the procedure, make payment, and become a member of the channel. For those in Nigeria, it's just 2,000 naira per month. Outside Nigeria in diaspora, YouTube determines the price. But there are a lot of advantages for being a member of the channel. You have to participate in free live class every Saturday, just like this one. You also have access to free ebook, Igbo ebook every month, one book at least every month. Okay, so that book alone covers more than the price of your subscription if you're in Nigeria. Okay, so you have a double advantage. You also have access to me. If possible, you need my assistance in one way or the other, you can as well gain access to me, especially if you're a senior family member. Our channel membership is called the Igbo family. So if you are watching a replay of this live class in my homepage and you want to participate in the real live class when it is happening, you would do well to join our channel membership today, and you'll be glad you did. So we begin today's class. We do hope that members of the channel will come in now so we can start immediately. So if you are not yet a member or you are watching a replay, please hold on a little while, patient, so that we can welcome channel members that paid money for this live class to go on. So you are highly welcome. We're waiting for our channel members. Let them come in now. The earlier they come in, the better for all of us, so that we can cover all we need to cover and leave and face other activities of the day. So I'm waiting for you, channel members. Where are you? Let's come to class. If you're already here, do well to chat us up. Drop your greetings in the chat section. Say ndewo, daalu, no. Just say something, drop a chat for us to know you are here. That is the way we mark our register. That's where we mark our attendance. Once we see your chart, we can pick your name and know you are in class. Clement Emehe, ndewo, tutuoma o. Appreciate you are coming to class, especially coming early. Ndewo, Mazi, Clement Emehe. Okay, we wait for others to do same. Come into class and let's begin. All right, Clement Ndewo, you're always coming early. Appreciate that so much. I hope others will follow suit. Lee ndị ọzọ, anyị na-echi unu bata na class. Once we have one more person, we begin the class immediately. Okay, so we wait a bit and hoping that one more person will join the class now so that we can start off. Okay, we're waiting. Mazi Clement, ke kimere. Ke kimere. Let's be conversing while we are waiting for others. Ke kimere. Yes, I need your response. I need your response. Ke kimere. Mazi emehe. Waiting for your response. Mazi Clement, ke kimere. Yes, let's be conversing while we are waiting for others to join up. Okay, adị m mma. Okay, adị m mma. Ekele dịrị Chineke. Ọlụkwan, ọlụ gịkwan, ọlụ gịkwan. Ọ na-agakwa? Ọlụ gị ọ na-agakwa? Yes, respond to my second question. I said, ọlụ gịkwan, ọ na-agakwa? Yes, respond to that also. Yes, I'm waiting for your response. Second leg of the question. I ask, ọlụ gịkwan, ọ na-agakwa? What do you say to that? Still waiting for you to respond to that. I've asked a follow-up question. So respond to that. Maazi Emehe. I'm waiting. Waiting for your response. Is it network that is holding you? Did you say test? Did you say test? Is that test? What do you mean by test? Asị m ọrụ gịkwan, ọ na-agakwa? I don't know what you mean by test. What do you mean by test? I saw your chart, and it reads test. I don't seem to understand what you mean. Can you explain what you mean by test? It appears the network is not flowing well. I'm not getting your response. I hope you are hearing me clearly. Please confirm that you can hear me loud and clear. Yes, Mr. Mayor. What is holding you? Is it network? I can't see your post. I can't see your response. Are you still there, Mr. Clement? Are you still there, Mr. Clement Emehe? Please confirm you are still there while we await other members of the channel to join up. I'm back. Okay. Can you see my response above? Yes, I saw your response when I asked Keki Mere. You answered Ademomma. And then I went on to ask further question. I now ask, Ọrụ gịkwanụ, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma? So that is what I'm expecting response for now. So respond to my second question. Okay, Maazị Nnake, ndewo, nọ na class nke taa. Okay, Maazị Emeghe, did you hear what the second question I asked? Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Ị nụrụ ajụjụ m jụrụ gị? Okay, Maazị Nnake, what I asked is, ọrụ gị kwanụ, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma? Okay. Nnake said, ọrụ gara nke ọma. Okay. But I was asking, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma? Okay. Then Clement said, ọrụ dị mma. Ọrụ ga ọfụma. Okay. That's a good trial. But the way, I hope it's going well. That was my question. I hope it's going well. Okay. I said, ọrụ gị kwanụ. I now follow up with, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma. Ọ na-agakwa ọfụma. Okay. Ọ na-agakwa ọfụma. That was the way I asked the question. Okay, which means how, and your work too, I hope is going well. And then both of you answered, ọrụ dị mma, ọrụ ga ọfụma. Ms. Emehe, it's not ọrụ ga ọfụma, it should be ọrụ na-aga ọfụma. Ọrụ na-aga ọfụma, work is going well. Ọrụ na-aga ọfụma. It depends on how you want to put it. If you want to say work is going on well, you say ọ na-aga ọfụma. But if you have already come back from work, you can say ọrụ gara ọfụma. So Emehe, you have to decide which one you want to which option is better for you. Ọrụ gara ọfụma, if you are already back from work and you're saying work went well today, is ọrụ gara ọfụma. But if you are still working and work is ongoing, you say ọrụ na-aga ọfụma, the work is going on well. Did I make myself clear? Please confirm. Okay. That's why Nnake wrote ọrụ gara nke ọma. That is very perfect. Okay, that means work went well. It means you are already through with the work and the work went well. Oh, Mr. Emehe, did you understand my correction? Please confirm that. Let's return to, as I'm waiting for your response, to conclude our discussion that we began last week over I lost something. Atụfuru ihe or atụfuru otu ihe. We are concluding that discussion today. And where we stopped last week is onye ga-enyere m aka. Let's refresh our memory. Onye ga-enyere m aka. What does that mean? Onye ga-enyere m aka. Let's continue from there. What does that mean? Onye ga-enyere m aka. Yes. Write what that means in English in the chat. Onye ga-enyere m aka. Let's go. Write that in the English version of it if you understand what I said clearly. Okay, Mehe said my connection is slow. I will reconnect. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So I'm waiting for the response to what I've just said now. Onye ga-enyere m aka. What does that mean in English? Write that now in the chat. Yes. Who is giving out the answer? Nnake is in. Okay, so Nnake is in. Remember, this is a question. This is a question. Onye ga-enyere m aka is a question. Okay, there's a way it will sound. It will be a statement, just like Nnake wrote. It will be a statement. If I had said, Onye ga-enyere m aka, it becomes a statement. That's correct. So let me write that again. Okay, of course, that was what we did last week. But for the purpose of rewriting, onye ga-enyere m aka. Okay, this is what I said. And Nake got it right. Who will help me? That is perfect. Onye ga-enyere m aka. But if the tone is a little bit higher, and I say, onye ga-enyere m aka, onye ga-enyere m aka, it becomes the person that will help me. Somebody, okay, will help me. Somebody that will help me. Onye ga-enyere m aka, the person that will help me, or somebody that will help me. That is onye ga-enyere m aka. But if it is onye ga-enyere m aka, question always starts with a low tone and end with a high tone. Onye ga-enyere m aka. That is who will help me. Okay, let's go on from there. So, who will respond to that question? Who will give us a response? Just respond by saying, I will help you. That will be the response. I will help you. Write the response in Igbo back in the chat. Write, I will help you in Igbo language. Write it in the chat. I will help you. Nake, Emehe, I believe you are back and you are hearing me now. I will help you. Write that in the chat in Igbo language. Let's go. One. Write that in the chat in Igbo language. I will help you. Okay, Nake is in. Nake is in. I'm waiting for Clement. I will help you. Let's go. I will help you. Okay, Clement is in. Okay, Clement tried, but the order is not in perfect condition. Naketu tried, but not very perfect. You are missing something. Each of you is missing something. Nake wrote, M ga-enye gị aka. If he had written, M ga-enyere gị aka, that would have been okay. M ga. The enye comes in form of past tense, but it's not. M ga-enyere gị aka. If you say M ga-enye gị aka, it's just like you're saying, I will give you a hand. Okay? M ga-enyere gị aka, this is I will help you. Then if you want to use the version of Clement, is also correct, which is agam. Okay? Agam. Enyere gị. Okay? Clement started very well. Enyere gị aka is what it should be. Clement wrote agam enyere aka gị instead of agam enyere gị aka. The order was wrong, Mr. Clement. This is the way it should be. Agam enyere gị aka. Remember, there is GI there. The I didn't come out. It is GI, gị. So it's not aga menyere aka gị, Mr. Clement. It's aga menyere gị aka. That is how it should be. Are we clear on this? Ị ghọtara ya? Asị m ị ghọtara ya? Ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtara ya, isi m ee, or you wrote aghọtara m ya. Ị ghọtara ya? Okay, Clement say ee, ke maka Nnake. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Okay. Aghọtara m ya. Excellent. Excellent. Clement, excellent. I think your network is working better now. Excellent. Okay. I now ask, since you said you will help me, I now follow up with a question. I said, n'ụdị ole? N'ụdị ole? What did I say? N'ụdị ole? Gịnị ka m kwuru n'asụsụ Bekee? What did I say in English? Write in the chat. N'ụdị ole? N'ụdị ole? Ngwa ka ide ya ọsịsọ. N'ụdị ole? N'ụdị ole? What did I say? What's the meaning of what I said in English? N'ụdị ole? Ngwanụ. Ana m eche gị o. Dee ya n'asụsụ Bekee. Write it in English. Dee ya n'asụsụ Bekee. N'ụdị ole? Nake is in. What did Clement say? What does Clement say? What is n'ụdị ole? Yes, Clement, waiting for you to translate n'ụdị ole into Igbo, into English rather. If you don't know, you write amaim, so we don't need to wait for you. All right, Clement say amaim. What I said is this. Let's write it first in Igbo. Okay, that I should have dot under. This is a question. N'ụdị ole. This means in what way? In what way? You say you will help me, and I now ask in what way? Okay, Nake is close to that by saying what kind. Okay. But the actual meaning is in what way? In what way? What way do you want to help me? N'ụdị ole. You said you will help me. In what way you want to help me? Okay. Okay. Let's look at the way, an idea of the way you want to help. I will now say, aga m agwa onye ọbụla. Aga m agwa onye ọbụla maka ya. Aga m agwa onye ọbụla maka ya. Aga m agwa onye ọbụla maka ya. For the last time, what did I say? What did I say? Yes, let's go. What did I say? Ngwa. Let's go. Aga m agwa onye ọbụla maka ya. Let's go. Shoot now. Okay, Nake has written. Clement has written. Okay. 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 I think both of you are right. Okay, both of you are right. I will tell anyone about it. I will tell anybody about it. Okay, both of you made a very great effort. This is what I said. I will tell anybody about it. I will tell anyone about it. And both of you are correct. If you say anyone or anybody, even in some cases, it also means everyone. Okay? Even though that everyone should be mmadụ niile, mmadụ niile, ordinarily, everyone is mmadụ niile, ordinarily. But even in this case, we also use onye ọbụla in this circumstance as everybody, everyone. I will tell everyone about it. Okay? But traditionally, everyone is mmadụ niile, mmadụ niile. But in this case too, onye ọbụla can be used as everyone about it. Okay? Okay? Um, then the next question, the next thing I'm going to say is, gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? Is a question. Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? What did I say? Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? No, onye niile is not correct for everybody. We don't use onye niile. We don't use onye niile, Mr. Mehe. We don't use onye niile for everybody. We always use mmadụ niile. Okay, even though onye means a person, okay, a person, onye, person. Okay, but when it comes to everybody, we don't use onye, we use mmadụ, mmadụ niile. Onye niile is not always used in Igbo, it's mmadụ niile. Okay, Clement, I hope I'm clear. Mr. Clement, are you okay with my response? Did you get what I explained? We don't use onye niile, we use mmadụ niile, everybody. Did you get that? Okay, go ahead and answer my next and translate my next statement. Nnake has done that already. The sentence is, gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? Okay, gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? If you are in this class and you have not greeted us or you have not responded to anything we are saying here, it's not fair. By greeting us, dropping your greetings, that's where we know you are in the class. Mark your register and then welcome you officially. So don't be a silent student. Just greet us, say they will know, darling, well done. Just say something. Even if you are not getting what we are saying, at least we know you are here. We can call you by name. This is a live class. We can ask you questions, we can relate with you. That's why we have call it live class. Okay? All right. So, gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? That's what I said. What did you tell them? That's what Nnake wrote. Clement wrote, what is it to tell them? Okay? But what I said actually is this. Gịnị ka my I here has dot under them. But when I'm live, it doesn't come out that way. Okay? Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? Okay, Dr. Blahi is here. Okay, gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha? This is what I said. Dr. Blahi wrote, what did you tell him? Okay, if you watch this sentence properly, the Igbo one I wrote now, you will see something there that you are missing. Okay, I think Nake want to take advantage of that. What will you tell them? Excellent. That is the correction. Because I said, gịnị ka ị ga-agwa? That is future. Ga-agwa, ga-eme, ga-eri, that is future. Anytime you see ga, dash, and then the verb, talking about what will happen in future. So, but Nnake has done the correction. Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha is what will you tell them? Nnake has helped me to do the correction. Please look at what he wrote. That is the correct sentence. Gịnị ka ị ga-agwa ha is what will you, future tense, will you tell them? Okay, perfect translation. Okay, the answer to this question is Aga m agwa ha. Daalụ Maazị Dr. Blahi, daalụ. The answer to this is aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. Aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. Okay? Aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. Let's go. Who will decode this? Who will decode and break it down? Yes, waiting for someone to break it, translate it in pieces, and drop them here in English. Yes, who is doing it for us? Who is doing it for us? Let's go. Who is doing it for us? Yes, 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 yes. Who is doing it for us? Dr. Bly has dropped his answer. Or you are still responding to the last one? Yes, I've made a new sentence. I hope Dr. Bly had my last sentence. What I said was, aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. That is the last sentence we are translating. Let's go. Who is helping us to break it down first? Ngwa, let's go there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Crack it, crack it. If you are in a class, indicate by dropping your greeting and responding to our conversation. Let's know you are here. Let's talk to you. Okay, Clement has dropped his response as one that I saw first. Any other person? Nake, where are you? Dr. Blahi, drop your own. Just make an attempt. Just make effort. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Nake, are you there? Dr. Blahi, are you there? Aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. What did I say? Mr. Clement, when we are making a sentence and we are not joining two phrases or words together, and you hear na, that na is not and. It could be that. Okay? Not and. It's only when we are joining two words together, okay, that or two phrases together, even when we are joining two phrases together, in some cases, na is not and. It's not and. It could be that. It could also be ma. Okay. So it's not always and when we are joining phrases together. Yes, anybody still making effort or nobody? Again, if you don't have idea, you write a mime. So we know you don't know anything to write. We move on and mark the scripts and do the correction. Yes. Aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. Let's do it now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nobody else is responding. It's either you know it, you are making effort, or you don't know it. If you have idea, write it and drop. If you don't, say de amaim. Yes. Yes, waiting for you. Okay, Dr. Blahin. Okay, very good effort, Dr. Blahin. Very good effort. Where is Nake? Nake, are you missing in action? Are you still typing or you're having network problem? It's either we see a mime or we see your sentence. Either of the two. Nake, a mime. Okay, that's fine. Who else is in the class that has not greeted us? Let me write what I said in Igbo first. Okay. And see whether you can have a better idea. Mm-hmm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay, this is what I said. Aga m agwa ha na enyi m tụfuru ihe. Yes. Is anybody changing his statement? Anybody changing his statement based on what I've written? Are you make we want to post an update? Or I should go ahead and supply the answer? Do you have an idea from what I've written now? Okay. Emehe has written, I will tell them that my friend threw away things. Okay. That's a better option, a better update. Emehe, well done. The actual answer is I will tell them that my friend lost something.